This is Science Week 28, Day 1. And we have one more week where we're going to work on that messaging, which I actually thought was pretty fun. You have a mission this time, and you are on an avalanche rescue team, and you get a call that there are 3 skiers lost in the mountains. They're sending 2 teams out to rescue them. You are the red team. As you go through this, the first question they're asking you is, you walk in the woods, both teams notice that your radios stopped working. So now you're going to have to use your flashlights and voices to communicate. You need to think of this, look at this and think, so which would work better, my voice or my flashlight? And you're going to be separated, so think about that. You're going to be in the woods. Think about which one would work better. You're going to answer that before you go on to the next slide. On this slide, you're going to watch the video, and you are going to learn more about your job and about your task that you need to fulfill. This last slide here is talking about how you can communicate with the other team. So, encoding, when you encode something, you change words into a code. When you decode, you change a code into words. So there are 2 things you need to know. That if it's all clear and nobody's in the area, you are going to send the signal of an X. X means clear, nobody's here. So all you would do is go over to the X. You would send your signal right there of a long, short, short, long. If there are people there that are hurt, you are going to signal a number and then H standing for hurt. So, say, as they gave the example, 2 hurt soldiers, you would first signal 2, ... long, 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 or they call it ... dash. And then you would also do H, which would be ... Okay, you're going to keep that in mind because your next day 2, you're going to be actually going out into the woods and finding these skiers. That's the end of day 1.